The basement you are about to view is not of the average. Please have an open mind.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Kind of a Look. This is part 4 of my basement declutter. It has been 3 weeks since I last touched the basement. This is how things are looking so far. For the most part, what I have done is still intact. This is what I have left to work on. I decided to keep this washer as a backup. It works perfectly fine. We came across a washer dryer set that was energy efficient and was supposed to be an upgrade. The outlet needed to be changed for the dryer along with an alignment issue, and we felt it was not worth it. The washer has also had issues, which I was lucky to have the backup and also someone who is handy in the house to fix it. Since I'm talking about upgrading washers and dryers, do you find that the older ones work better or break down less? This is what I'm finding. I only put up with the newer one because it's energy efficient. You may notice that I am handling this dryer very awkwardly. That is because of the spider webs.
Okay, we are attempting again. I don't even know what day this may be, but right here, this is still here. And those two containers are still here. I don't even know if I can say anything about it, but this is what has been added to it. Trying to save the newspaper for a compost pile. That's the reason why it's still sitting here. And I have to break that down and figure out how I'm going to put that in here, because today is May the 4th, 2021, and some of you may know already that they are starting to go up on paper goods because of the shortage on wood pulp, which is used to make some of these paper goods. So I'm showing you guys this cabinet because this is from when I did the organization. It's still intact, but now I have to break that down or find somewhere else to put it. I can fit some of the paper towel up there. But yeah, anyway. Let's see. This is still somewhat intact. This is like the everyday use cabinet, or what I use in the cabinet. On a daily, weekly basis. Okay, and still haven't gotten over here to wipe down the totes or go through the totes. I mean, I know what's in them because they're, you know, labeled. This shelf is dealing with clothes and shoes, and this shelf is just dealing with toys. And then this shelf, nothing has changed, it's still the same. But if you can remember last, that these boxes right here, I want to keep for now. But they're right here because they're in the corner, and I'm doing laundry, so that is, you see that basket and that basket. That box, if you remember last, inside the box underneath that blanket are like the kid activities like Easy Bake, little cotton candy machine, those type of things. So I want to find like a clear tote container or something similar to over there to put those in so they can see it and get access to it. And then yeah, this is all laundry. And washer and dryer that I moved from the last time. And this is something that we want to get rid of, to throw away, and this is something that we want to put on the other side of the basement, or the garage, I'm sorry. And now, over here. Last left off with me moving the washer and dryer. But the reason why I stopped is because of this. I had to put the flash on so you can see. But this is what we discovered. And I was hesitant on showing this because I don't know. It's part of that shame type thing or people in your personal business type thing. But this is what I discovered. And I was at a standstill as far as what to do next. I don't know if this is black mold. It kind of looks like it. I know what I can do is put my mask on and use the suck vac to suck up all this extra stuff, and then I can spray this down with some bleach. But I do need to take pictures of this stuff first. But other than that, this is what we're looking like. Now I know I should just be using bleach water to spray this down, but I just want to test something out. I just want to see if I use the sprays that I normally use to clean up and clean my bathrooms with, if this would work. So I'm going to try this first on a piece of the mold over there, and then I'm going to try this on another piece, and let's see which one does whatever, or actually makes a difference. I'm going to leave from down here because it's going to smell very bleachy. And let's see how it affects that, if it does anything or not. And then whichever one does the best, we'll use it up there. Okay, so we are back, and I have been gone for about 45 minutes, and this is after spraying the bleach, so it looks like it's still trying to dry, but what I sprayed with the foam sprayer seems to have done a better job. But then I'm not sure, because it looks like there's still something left. Finally saw. Well, it's finally over here.